It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Well, I already started putting white, but this was a painting, well, whatever, a pour that I did, and it's just way too dark. So I'm gonna spread some white, and I am gonna use the neon colors, but I used black here, and I'm thinking that the neon colors didn't show up because I used black. And actually, I'm hoping that the white is going to work out. So I'm going to spread this on. I don't know, lately I just seem to be using too much paint.
Too much paint?
Yeah.
I don't know why. You want that's a good idea. If you leave the edges black.
That's what I'm
the edges are
trying
black,
to
leave
do.
the top white.
Yeah, and then whatever runs down, I don't have to worry because I painted. I have already got the sides black.
So don't you think you need a little more white paint on
No,
it? No?
I don't think so. Why, you think I do?
No, don't mind me. What do I know?
All right. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I haven't thought about it. I want to use those colors. I guess maybe I'll just pour them into this
That's what you want to do?
and do a, all right, so let's see. I think I'm gonna use...
The bottom color, if you're going to pour it in, the bottom color would be the one that goes out farthest, right?
Yeah, so that's why I was gonna use this lavender, because it's kind of a...
That's a pretty color.
Yeah. It won't, I think it won't stay. I don't know. Let's see. I'll use this Snow White. Ugh. And I'm going to use the Craft Smart Neon Orange. And I'm going to put a little white. Then I'm going to use the Smart Craft Neon Green.
Smart Craft.
Hopefully it's going to be crafty enough to make my painting come out good.
You know you called that Smart Craft instead of Craft Smart, right?
Oh no! Is that what I did? That's why you were making fun of me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And this is the Folk Art Neon Purple. I'll use some of this. And one more color. I think I'll use the Citron.
Everybody neon yellow, whatever. Well, that's kind of green and yellow together. So.
Yeah. All right. I don't know, it doesn't look too good again. Having a hard time these days, guys.
You know why? When you slid it around, you just mixed all those colors together.
Yeah. Well, I've done it
Should've
before
went
and it
straight
worked
up. Should've
good.
went straight up in the air, probably. It would have come out.
Do you have your gloves or did you throw them away?
I threw them away. Hold on here.
Ah.
Right here. Inside out. What do you want to do?
I was gonna wear the gloves. What a concept.
That's not like you.
Well, I know, I don't wanna get my fingers all dirty.
You'll be eating those ribs tonight and you won't be picking
Exactly.
up the pain on your fingers.
How did you know? That's exactly what I was
I
thinking.
knew it. I knew it. Well, I'm trying
Well,
to...
I mean, I'm gonna take a shower anyway, but. You wacky. All right, let's see what happens. This is already a bad one the first time. Did you fill that thing?
I sure did.
Thank you.
You want to use it?
Yeah. First, I want to move this around a little bit. How long does it take Patty to get gloves on?
One time.
Gee willikers. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, maybe I'll hit it. Hit me with your best shot. Thank you.
I don't catch it on fire this time. Should I get the fire extinguisher?
Yeah, we used to have one in there. I don't think we have it in
Yes,
there.
we do.
Oh, it's still there? You sure?
I think so.
I don't think so.
I should get it for standby. There's one outside. Yes.
Oh, it is?
You're safe.
Okay,
You're no more than 3 feet away from a fire extinguisher.
that's good. All right. I think I'm gonna, I mean, that's pretty there. It's pretty there, pretty there. Not so pretty in there. Maybe I'll try a straw and see what happens. See, it looks pretty right here, I think.
There's all that purple.
I know.
Yeah,
That's
look.
why I said I got to get rid of some.
Did you pop them bubbles? Did you hit that with the torch already?
Yeah.
And then none of that. Oh, I like your green veins in there.
I'll have to. I'll do it again, but I just figured I'll try to do something here.
Oh, there you go. Look at that. Little space invaders. Like upside down jellyfish.
Problem is going to be that these two are neon colors, but there doesn't seem to be white in them. So now that's going to turn to magenta, and I don't even know what color that's going to
Well,
turn
it's not the whole thing's white already. We'll squirt a little white in it.
I was thinking I'd squirt a little bit of orange.
Like orange goes a long way. Mine over here. I can see your ear.
Sorry, John
should
said I was showing my ears.
Gotta put you on the. Hey, that's kind of cool though. In the middle there, I'd blow some more of that purple around and get some more of them
No
polka
more
dots in there.
Oh, okay.
What all those things are? Look kind of neat. Look like space invaders.
See, what I did too is I used a snow white along with the regular white, and I think the snow white makes it look more, see how it looks dullish there?
Dullish.
I don't know if that's such a word.
Are you
I gotta
sure?
take my glasses off.
You're gonna get paint on them.
They have paint on them already. I got some cells, which is kind of interesting because
A little cloudy up there.
that's because of, a cloud?
It looks
Or it's
like a cloud,
cloudy?
doesn't it?
Right there?
Yeah.
What do you think? Think it looks...
I don't know. Depends what it dries like. If it dries dark purple,
I know, that's the problem.
then you're...
Then I'm in the same situation as I
I
was.
hit it with a torch again, see what happens. We bust something for you.
I really do like that color purple, but...
Maybe make it into a movie. I see him boy busting them all now. See all the green dots coming out in it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they're getting a bunch of them. Oh, that's good. Is it too close?
I don't particularly like that there, though.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Well, you can. Why don't you move it? Why don't you tilt it? Maybe it'll run down. Tilt it a little bit and see if you can get the green to move off.
Oh, actually, yeah, I think I... What about that? Is that
I
too
don't.
light?
No, I don't think so. I think that looks like just. Oh, you didn't have to pick it up. There you go. Point it that way. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Oh yeah, that's nice. You're getting these nice cells now.
I always forget to
Put it
tilt
back.
things. I don't know why. Well, I wanted to get...
Yeah, I know, but I'm trying to save you here before you run off before all of these run off the thing for you. Just keep good. There you go. There you go. And a little bit that way. There you go. Get that orange to run off, maybe. Oh yeah, that's doing better. Well, I'm liking that. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I can pop. Probably those cells will probably pop with the heat now too.
You don't think I need to put some of the purple over there?
You
From
think-
there?
You want the whole thing to be purple?
No.
It's up to you. Whatever you want to do, Darren. It's your world. It's your world, as Bob says.
No, I think that looks good like that.
Yeah.
Because that matches that and that. And
Why
why have I been forgetting lately that I can tip things? I don't understand. I need to I think I need to focus more.
Choose the units, Tipsy. You want to do it?
Yeah.
And maybe up in there in that purple one. Pop open a couple. What up here in this green and orange. Oh yeah, that's looking much nicer. On the sides, you know. This side's got a lot of paint, so and the bottom's backside has too. Yeah.
Thank you for your guidance, mister.
Oh, let me get to this side for you, okay?
Was that?
Let me go right this side. There you go. Oh, it's all sticky.
I know, I got sticky all over my hands. I don't know where it came from, but... Cool.
Oh yeah, nice.
I got cells, I got cells. Actually, it would have been prettier without the purple.
Well, you could probably tilt it some more if you want. Move that purple down out. Your cells are kind of nice now.
Yeah, I don't want to mess with the cells.
I think why mess with perfection? Let me
Okay.
Give it a peek.
John's coming down for a close-up, and then that'll be it. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. I'm trying not to have my voice sound so scratchy and noisy and loud. Hopefully I did better today. Please go to our eBay. Please go to eBay and check out our pictures on johnhimm, H-I-M-M. And again, thanks for watching and have a good day. Peace!
Bye-bye.